Bait nyo lang sila dito.
Sa southwest guys, pati yung
Mag-spread lang kayo dito mamaya, okay?
Taro.
Yo. Look, my crown. Shallow only, 3, 2, 1, shallow only. Kaba. Full spread. I-abuse nyo ano? I-abuse na tong Lord Room ito. I mean, kanan room. Hold na kayo dito. Kailan natin baba siya. Mag-full engage ito pag nabasag, okay? Hold yun. Hold yun. Okay lang. Suntukan na tayo dito. Yo. Shallow only, my crown. Pass the gate, ready in 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Pull ka back. Wala na cleric mga yun, iba. Yeah. Sige lang. Yo, kiss the bliss side down.
Hindi lang patayin yung ano.
Kiss the bliss, careful. Yo, spread lang kayo. Death now, yeah. Huh? I think we can. Sige lang. Yo, everything, my crown sa may gate. 3, 2, 1. Gate now. And full spread. Drop uses now. Yung makapagsuntukan kayo. Finish the low target, okay? Finish the low target. Sige lang. Suntukan lang kayo. Finish the low target, okay? Unahin nyo yung mga mark kung may ulo sila sa mark, okay? Wait. How long? DPS, how long?
Ready.
Ready. You, my crown middle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit my crown. Just hit my crown. And full spread lang kayo dito. Full spread. You're fine. Like flap. Like heals down. You're fine. Now, keep spreading lang. Yo, come northeast. Next ka lang tayo sa may northeast, okay? Come northeast. Yo. Look for me. Dito lang sa akin. Shallow, my crown. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit my crown. Nice, good kill.
Nice.
Yo, spread here. Suntukan lang. Kiss on the blues lang. Suntukan lang kayo. Careful. Oh, drop juice. Left. Keep dropping. Now go northwest. Click kayo northwest. Just hold down. Hold. Heals kayo. Inside. Wait. You look. Cars to my gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kamba. Laro niyo muna sa west side ng west side dito.
Hindi na makakapasok.
Bro lang sa wait. Careful sa gate. Ingat kayo sa gate. Magkaklamp pa yan. Wait.
They're clicking, you can click back.
No, you're fine. Click back southeast. Dali.
Broiler nila to.
Click back kayo southeast. Yo, click back kayo southeast. Sa may kanan. Come kanan. Yo, look. My crown. West ko. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Hit me. Good kill. Now, be more east side spread, okay? Mawala ng healer to mga to. Sige. Come, wait. Careful lang. Sige lang. Use on the blue side lang. Nice, you're fine. Yo, how long DPS?
Ready.
Yo. Spread lang kayo southeast, okay? Spread kayo southeast. Wala na defense ito mga ta. Careful. Yo, push through. All the way sa backline nila. Deep, top pigs. Walking. Top pigs walking. Walking. Sige. Hold na kayo dito. Wait.
Cleric na.
My crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Middle. Hit middle. Just hit middle. Everything middle. They're dying. Sige. Finish your low target. Sige lang. Finish your low target. Keep finishing the low target, okay? Wait. Try nyo yung low target. Okay, click ba kayo southeast again?
They're going kanan.
Southeast. Sige lang. Hold them. Now, careful lang. Fingers and gigs.
Ready.
Okay? Wait. Left now. Nice. Counter. My crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit my crown now. Just hit my crown. Sige lang. Keep killing. You're fine. Dito lang. Spread lang kayo dito sa may kanan. You're fine, boys. You're fine. Healthy tayo. You're fine. Yo, finish your low target, ha? Wait. Yo, look. Skullmars sa may southwest. Kita niyo to? Part 1. Skullmars sa may southwest. Wala nang healer to. Death now. Yo, look.
Mamatay sila sa kanan. Matakas sila.
My crown. 5 seconds, ha? My crown. Wait. My crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit my crown. Hit. Sige Sige lang, keep rolling with them, keep rolling with them. Unahin yung low target, unahin yung low target.
Yang.
You're fine, you're fine. Yo, come north, sa may carpet, sa may carpet. Look, they're running. Hold you lang. Finish yung low. Finish yung lang yun. You're fine.
North,
Spread here. Def now. Look, my carpet. Ready?
Ready.
Yo, carpet. Wait. My crown sa may south ko. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Okay. Spread again. Spread. They're
No mana
dying.
healer sila, no mana healer sila.
Sige lang. Nice. Spread lang kayo. Def down. Actually, fake lang yun. Sige lang, dito lang kayo. Huwag kayo lumabas. No fear, boys. No fear.
Okay, mag-choke.
No fear. Def now. Def. Nice. Look, my crown. This side. My west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. It's everything. It's huge. Nice. Keep killing. Focus yung low target. Sige lang. Suntukan lang dito. Walang aalis. Sige lang, suntukan lang kayo. Brown more west side, okay? Brown more west side. You're doing fine, boys. You're doing fine. Sige lang. You ready, def, ha? Wait. Def now. Pull def. This one just west side. Yo, I'm gonna do it again. This is fake. Wait.
Ready SH na.
South ng kanan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South kanan. Gilang. Unahin yung healer nila. Kung makita ang healer.
Nasa east yung healer, nasa east.
Hold here. Sige lang. Ready, def, ha? Ready, def.
Kaya, huwag ka na
Def. Nice. You're fine. Yo, look. May healer na pa ba tayo?
Meron pa naman.
Pahingin ako sa harap ko. 5, 4,
Nasa south yung healer.
Hit me. You're winning. Oh, shit. Sige lang. You're fine. Sige lang. Keep rolling. Heal sa mga south side ko. Keep dropping Judas and spread, oh. Keep dropping Judas and heal. Wait. Sige lang, suntukan lang tayo dito. Wait. I'm gonna burn their cleric, okay? Wait.
Healer pa ba?
Sige lang.
Healer pa ba?
My crown. Sa may south side ng south side. My crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My crown. Hit my crown. It's huge, boy. Now spread again. They're looking. Careful. They're looking. Careful. Nakatingin na to mga to. Wait. Def now. Sige lang. You're fine.
Healer nila nasa may gate.
Mana.
Look my east. Wait. Yung east ko. Kung makikita nyo yung east ko. My crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything. Hit. Fuck, stupid. Hold lang. Silence paddle kayo sa gitna kung meron kayo. Silence paddle lang kayo sa gitna. Tukan lang tayo dito. Careful lang. Wait. Silence paddle lang sa gitna. Wait. Maglulok na tong mga to. Careful lang. Ready defensive, ha? Kung may pats pa kayo. Wait. Sige lang. Kiss na bilis to. Wait. Wala pa.
Delay. Nag-engage sila.
Nag-illusion sila? Okay, oh.
Yeah.
Wait. Look, my crown sa may east. After ng J. Wait. After ng J, sa may... fuck. East. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My crown. Hit my crown. Ang daming healing. Spread lang kayo dito. Hindi pa tayo mag-alis.
Clerical na healer.
Left. Nice. You're fine. How long? Defense, how long? Take the cleric, ha? Wait. How long?
Ano niya out ko, guys?
Talk to me. Hello? Defense? Yo, def now. Sige lang. We're still alive. Yo, look, east gate. After ng J. East gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now.
DPS pa ba tayo?
Careful. Tatlo na lang sa amin.
Ito na lang
Keep
party 2. Ako na lang.
feeling lang.
Isa na lang sa
Spread lang kayo dito. Wala. Spread it out. Out.
Nasaan? You can go southwest lift, ah. If you're dying, just go southwest side. On top. Ah, bye.
Ang saya.
May.
Inaisa ka.
Ayan na sana, putragis. Kaso ang
Pag-
dami.
Pag nakamiss kayo yung silence paddle nyo, gitna lang lagi.
Yeah, I'm in the middle.